everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do my light summer makeup look. I think I'm going to switch it up a bit because it's so hot. Finally, I don't want to be wearing a lot of makeup and a lot of like heavy products on my skin. I just really want to feel it light and just like quick and easy, you know, on my way out for a picnic. That kind of makeup. I am starting off with Maybelline New York concealer. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Just going to put a little bit on top of here, and I've already done my skincare routine for the day. I have very dark under eye circles. I don't put mascara on the under eyes because it will darken the space even more, so I only put on the upper eyelashes. I'm going to put on my banana powder. I'm just going to go in with my Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. This is the remastered version. I want it to be very simple and easy. And yes, I've dropped this a couple of times, so some of them are like a little bit ruined, but it is what it is. Okay, so I'm going in with the shade Bubbly, which is this one right here. Go over my eyelid with this one. I don't want it to be too much. As I said, simple, easy, and natural, but like a little bit of pop-in here and there won't hurt. I haven't decided if I'm going with eyeliner today or not. Some days I do wear the exact same makeup with eyeliner, or just mascara, or just like this with eyeliner. It really depends on the mood and what you're actually going to do. And also, if it's like really hot, you really don't feel like wearing eyeliner. We're moving on to face, and I'm using my contour. I'm going to use just a little bit, you know, to bring in the forms. I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty Truffle. It's a match stick, so it looks like this. I'm sorry, it's a little bit disgusting right now, but usually it is very clean. I'm going in with my brush, which is also unhygienic, but it also depends on when you wash your brushes, and I don't even wash them that often. I'm not gonna lie, I'm going to be completely honest, like I don't wash them as often as I should. That's just what I'm gonna do, okay? Don't judge me. I'm going to put it here. So I am done with the contour and moving on to the blush. And I'm using the same palette. And I am using the eyeshadow as a blush because it works perfectly for me. And I use the shadow Doll Face, which literally is a doll face. Like, it is a pink, very beautiful eyeshadow. And I also use this on my eyelids when I do in my last video. So I'm using a bit on the blush, and I'm just putting it a little bit on here. We don't want it to be too much, so we will just work with what we got and blend it out. I'm just going to brush my eyebrows now, and I'm just going to use the excess of whatever is already on my brush. Mascara is on. Everything is on, but it is two things that aren't completely done, and it is just, I'm going to put on a tiny bit. That just happened because I just did that. Good thing I wasn't wearing concealer. That would have ruined the entire look. I'm going to use a tiny bit of highlighter, and I'm going to use Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette and the Fiji. That is the one I'm going to use. This is a very old foundation brush that I have never used. I've used it like once or twice. I don't use this for foundation, so I'm using it now for this highlighter, just because it's very smooth to use it with this brush. It is this gold looking highlighter. One more thing is lips. So this might look at like a very big full makeup look because I'm wearing so many different products, but I'm just wearing a little bit of those products. I'm not using foundation, but I'm still doing like almost a full makeup look, but it's still like light, which was the most important thing, right? I'm just going to, this is the NYX lip pencil Peekaboo Neutral. Yeah, it's this like nude pink-ish, and I'm going to put it here. And then I'm going in with Kylie Cosmetics High Gloss. Daddy's Girl. This is my favorite. You can see how much I've used this. Yeah, I love this one, especially when you want that pink gloss but still like, yeah, it's cute and it's just, yeah, it's great. That was it. Now I'm done. That took about 10 minutes. So this is a very quick makeup. Of course you can do quicker than this. So this is the complete look, and I hope you liked it, because this is what I'm going to wear this summer. So because it's still warm, it's not too much, it's not too little, it's just in the middle, and it's very light. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and hit the thumbs up, and I will see you in my next one.